Hey there, welcome back to our CSS tutorial series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of CSS pseudo elements. These nifty tools allow us to style specific parts of an element, opening up a whole new level of creativity and customization. So let's jump right in and explore some of the most commonly used pseudo elements. First, we have a first-line pseudo element that allows you to style the first line of text within an element. For example, if you have a paragraph, you can select it using P and use double colons after colons to access the first line pseudo element. Pseudo elements always use with double colons. Now, let's say you want that first line to stand out by having a different color, like green, and a bigger font size of 24 pixels. This pseudo element makes it super easy to apply specific styles to the first line of text, and it's perfect for creating eye-catching effects in your web projects. In the next stage, we have a first letter pseudo element. Apply this keyword to the heading. Now, you can specifically style the first letter of a heading or any other text. Let's increase the size of the first letter of the heading, let's say 35 pixels. To make it even more prominent, we can further increase it to 45 pixels. This is the functionality provided by the first letter pseudo element. Next, we have before pseudo element, which is a valuable CSS feature that lets you add content before the existing content of an element. For example, if you desire to include a personalized icon or image before a heading, you can achieve this by utilizing the before pseudo element. By specifying the content property and using the URL function with the icon's path, which is bat.png, enclosed in parentheses, you can easily insert the desired icon or image. To proceed, please copy the following code and paste it below. Similar to the before pseudo element, we have another keyword after. Additionally, change the icon name to pumpkin.png, but this time, it should be placed after the content of the element. That's all. These are the before and after pseudo elements. Remove all the code to move further. Next, we have a marker pseudo element which is useful when working with lists. Let's make two lists: first ordered list with OL tag, use lead tag to make the item with the text item 1. Copy this list and paste it 3 times. And now we will make an unordered list with OL tag. Copy the above list items and paste it for the unordered list. Marker keyword allows you to customize the appearance of list markers, such as bullets or numbers. For instance, if you want to change the color, select the marker by marker pseudo element and choose any color, it may be red. You can also use the font size property with the value of 20 pixels to change the size of the bullet or number. Let's say you have an H1 element and a paragraph element on your website. When you select some text on the page, you may notice that the selected text color is typically white and the background color is blue by default. However, with the help of the selection pseudo element, you can customize the appearance of the selected text. To do this, you can use the selection keyword followed by 2 colons. Then, you can specify the desired styling properties such as setting the text color to red and the background color to yellow. Once you apply these styles, you can see the selected text on your web page will have a new color scheme. By using these CSS pseudo elements or keywords, you can add unique styles and enhancements to specific parts of your HTML elements. They provide a powerful way to customize and personalize your web design, making it more visually appealing and engaging. If you found this helpful, you can show your support by liking the video, leaving comments, and subscribing to the channel.